Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate brand kit in Google Workspace Marketplace templates. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate the brand kit in Google Workspace Marketplace templates, start by opening your Google Workspace account. Navigate to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Type brand kit in the search bar to find relevant templates. Choose a template that meets your branding needs. Click on the template to view more details. Select the Install button to add the template to your account. Once installed, open the template in Google Slides or Docs. Locate the Extensions tab in the top menu. Click on Brand Kit from the drop-down options. You will see an option to activate brand kit. Click on it. Follow the on-screen prompts to customize your brand colors, logos, and fonts. Once everything is set, click Save to finalize your brand kit. Your brand kit is now activated and ready for use in the selected template. You can access it anytime through the Extensions tab. Feel free to customize your template further using the brand kit options. This allows for consistent branding across all your documents and presentations. You've successfully activated the brand kit in Google Workspace Marketplace templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.